sulit na pahinga.
Wait lang, so hindi kayo, I remember it was just years ago that you got into the healthy lifestyle. And kami, I'm just figuring it out right now, trying to push my husband to go with me. Paano nyo na-come into terms pala yun?
It was during the pandemic.
Oo, naalala ko yun, nag-home workout kayo, tapos
Yes.
saka mo shinare.
Yes.
You were even awkward at first, di ba? Sabi mo, parang hindi mo alam if you wanna share this, but then,
Yes, yes.
naging natural na siya. What was the journey like?
It was the pandemic, and usually yung main reason namin was that we didn't have time. So when the pandemic happened, we were like, we can't use that as an excuse anymore. So we just started moving. So our goal was just to move every single day.
Yeah.
Hanggang sa naging habit na namin, siguro one thing that helped us was that we would do it together.
Talaga? Kasi usually magkaiba kayo ng hobbies, di ba? Pag husband and wife. Paano nyo na-in-sync yung mga trip ninyong dalawa?
Siya talaga yung mahilig mag-workout.
Okay.
Ako talaga, I didn't like workout in the first place. I just play sports. And then sabi nga niya, di ba, when the pandemic came, ang sabi namin, wala kaming time. Pero eto na si pandemic, so we have all the time in the world.
Yes.
So we started off bodyweight training. Tapos hanggang sa natutunan namin, tapos nagbubili na kami ng weights, pakonti-konti, and then we started a habit at sobrang, it was a blessing for us kasi dalawa kami. So what's nice about it is, kapag medyo unmotivated,
Yes.
andyan siya. And vice versa. So it's really, for us husband and wife, kailangan may side-by-side that you enjoy doing together and you look forward to. And it also, build a connection between a
Yes.
husband and a wife.
Actually, malaking tulong yun, yung connection na nabibuild
Yes.
nga niya.
Yung isang natutunan ko doon, MJ, was that nung time na pag nag-workout kami, he is the leader. So dahil siya yung leader, di ba usually kasi in a marriage, you're always
Oo.
like, sinong masusunod?
Oo.
Ikaw ba o ako? Di
So
ba?
how was your struggle?
So, ano
I
nangyari?
struggled so much, but at the
Yeah,
same
she
time,
did,
it
she
was
did.
training also for me because it taught me talaga to
Oh.
trust him and to obey him and to listen to him.
Ay,
So parang
taray.
for me, we would share this na parang it all started with the workout. And since I would listen to him, I would allow him to lead me in so many ways. Nung una, may mga samaan ng loob talaga.
Ay, I
kami.
love it.
Pag kunwari, wrong form,
Oo.
correct niya ako, hurt na
Grabe,
hurt ako.
baka mamaya parang na agad to, Spartan race na to.
Parang
Hit,
ganun, very
boot
strict
camp.
kasi to eh.
Oo.
But eventually, we found that it's not only beneficial for our physical body, but more so for our relationship also. Kasi
Oo.
nakuha namin yung parang, ito pala parang hindi magkontrahan. I just have to trust him that he will lead me to the right thing. So parang ganun.
And also yung recovery that you were talking about at the beginning of this conversation, because not everyone thinks how important sleeping is and recovery is. Lalo na, di ba, sometimes, lalo na kung nung nagka-newborn kayo, may sisihan kung sino mas mahaba yung tulog.
Yes.
Di ba? Naalala mo pa ba yun?
Of course.
Di ba?
Oo
Pero
naman.
ngayon, pero hindi, importante matulog. Importante mag-recover. Kasing vital siya ng pag-workout.
That's true. And not only that, you can try to be healthy in so many things. You can work out. Hindi ka makakapag-workout kung hindi enough ang tulog mo. Kahit kaano ka ka-okay kumain, of course, that takes one aspect of your health. But sleep is very important. And I remember someone telling me this because, in our industry,
Oo.
sanay tayong mapuyat. And di ba sinasabi natin na kapag napagod tayo, babawiin na lang natin. But the reality is, hindi mo na talaga pala pwedeng mabawi kung ano yung naipuyat mo na. So, rest is very important for recovery, and a lot of sicknesses and illnesses actually nanggagaling siya sa lack of sleep.
Wow. And syempre Mother's Day na, anong plano nyo?
Matulog!
Totoo! Yun din yung plano ko. Actually,
Oo.
nililook forward ko na siya. Umpisa ko na
Yes.
tonight.
That's true. Sabi ko kay VJ, love what you want for Mother's Day. I just want rest.
Matulog.
Like, breakfast in bed, lunch in bed, everything in bed.
I love it. Congratulations, guys.
Thank you,
Thank you,
MJ.
thank you.
Salamat.
Alright. Tapos picture lang. Ako one picture lang, guys. Thanks.